I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the Greek ass.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254 and you're tuned in for another one. Hold on. Slide y'all back though. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254 and you are tuned in for another. Hold on. Oh, there we go. See, this is the beauty of something that autofocuses. This camera right here, Sony Handycam. I bought it like 10 years ago. Okay, I'm exaggerating. It was more like 2000. This is 2018, so that means I bought the camera like 10. Yeah, I bought this camera like 2010, right before I got ready to go to Korea, so I could like record different videos and stuff when I was over there. I didn't really use it while I was in Korea. That's when I got on my DSLR thing and kind of fell off into the photography thing. So it probably don't got like that many hours on it or whatever. I actually had put it up for sale. It didn't sell. So I was just kind of in a drawer. So the other day after I made the other video about, you know, the camera and all that stuff, I was like, Chris Womack out there at CW Restoration in Huntington Beach, California, make sure you go check out his page. He told me, he mentioned something that he used a Handycam and a GoPro, and that's when the light bulb went off, like, ding! I got a Handycam and it's just sitting in the drawer. So let me record a video right quick and see what it does. Video wise, I'm very impressed. How do I know? Because I'm looking directly at it. I'm looking directly at myself because they have the screen that flips around, so I know the exact composition and everything like that. I'm not having to worry about if I'm in focus or not. Like the Canon is going to do, well, not the Canon, the Sony camera is going to do its thing. And I mean, kind of that's really all we wanted. Now, as far as audio on this Handycam, there is no external audio. Solution would be to either externally record the audio and then match it up in post, or no, for this solution, I mean for this one, that's pretty much all it is. Like, you're gonna have to do external audio. External audio recorder, or be in a room that's quiet, or I don't know. When I take this video and I put it on the computer and I load it up, then I can see exactly how loud it is, and I'm like, oh, okay, you know, that wasn't too bad. So with this one, I kind of might have to yell at the camera a little bit for it to pick it up a little bit better. I don't know. But I was just trying to find a solution for like in the mix, like sit down, talk to y'all type videos, and not having to go through all this different stuff and it just be like crazy. Like, cause I can see, like, no matter where it is, like I can see the square right there that's like maintaining the focus on my face. So being that this camera is like I said, I bought this camera in 2010, right before I went to Korea. So for this camera to be 8 years old and still be able to have the video quality that it does, it lets you know that Sony was on the ball. Like, Sony knew what they was doing, especially with their autofocusing. I mean, Sony did the Handycam, so if they took that Handycam technology and they put it inside of their newer cameras, then why would it not be dope? So, as y'all know, I don't know what, I mean, you might not know, Like I'm low key kind of looking for like a Sony A6000, 6500. One of the crop sensor joints with a lens on it, just for video. It's not a necessity. It's just more of a want. I believe I can put the external audio. I can hook the mic up to that one, and I can be good to go with something like that. So, I'm a photographer. Like, so trying out different stuff and trying to get the best picture and bringing my YouTube channel in the best quality possible. That's what I aim for. So, I'm real curious what it's gonna look like when I upload it, man. Like it's looking super duper fucking crispy just on this screen. So I know when y'all get it over there on the other side of YouTube land, like I know this shit gonna be looking specular. And like I don't have no extra light set up. As you can see, it's like shadowy on this side and light on this side because that's where the light is or whatever. You know, in the beginning I had to kind of move and then it adjusted. It's like adjusted the lighting and the focus and all that shit. Like I'm moving all around. I ain't gotta be still and shit. And I'm still in focus. So when you're able to, when the camera equipment is able to kind of help you out when you're a one-man band like myself, and less focus goes on, less worry or less focus goes into actually making sure I'm in focus and making sure I'm properly lit and can you see me, when I can kind of step away from that and I can just kind of enjoy it and I can make the content and I can see, because the screen flipping over, that's like the business. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know why I didn't think of this before. You know what I'm saying? Like it was just sitting in the drawer. Usually I'd be so close. So, I mean, that probably was some part of it. So, you know, I put it a good, say, 2.5, 3 arms length away. I can sit it down and start recording. I don't have to worry about any of that. Like, nothing. Nathan. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure if I put a light over here, like it would brighten up and all that stuff. So, I'm gonna take it upstairs and see what it can do. That's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna take it upstairs with the lights and I'm gonna see what it can do, and we're gonna go from there. So what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSL254. You tuned in for another one. What I did what I told you I was gonna do. Matter of fact, y'all need to scoot back. Y'all too close. Boom. Alright, y'all, like I said, what I was going to do is I'm bringing it upstairs and I was going to set it up. Now, what I did, I came upstairs, I set up this light. Actually, I ain't even set it up all the way. Boom. Alright, so that light, umbrella's all the way. Boom. You know, see, I'm going to play with that. Boom. Boom. I don't want the microphone. That microphone not even capturing. You know what I'm saying? I got my other light over here, so I'm properly lit and you can see me. And like, look how more, this is so much more simpler. What's up, guys? It's your boy LSL254. You tune in for another one. My only concern with this setup is the audio. And we're going to see what that sounds like right now. But as far as video quality, this is why I said go get you a Sony. This is a 10-year-old, 8-year-old camera, and the audio looks fucking amazing, bro. When I say amazing, amazing. 10 years ago, this is like 1080p, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is. So, like, I know, without the shadow of a doubt, you know what I'm saying, I'm like back and forth. Like, I'm back and forth, I'm in focus, I know that shit got me, I'm lit all the way. So, I don't know, like, is that shit taking pictures of me? I think that shit's taking pictures. Like, why would you be taking pictures of me? Like, were these cameras set up back then to snap a picture and have thumbnails for YouTube? Is that what this camera was really made for? Who knows? It did it again. it did it again. It's doing something, man. I really don't know. But like I said, I'm stoked. Like the video I did the other day where I was holding up the stuff on Harbor Freight and the shit wasn't getting in focus or it was out of focus and like I mean it's a video camera though, so I would expect for it to do better than a camera. And this just reminded me that that's what Sony does. Sony makes video cameras. Like so of course their camera with video camera capability is going to blow anything else out the water. So I'm hyped, man. I hope y'all hyped. I'm finna throw this up right quick. Like really, really quick. Like I'm gonna see how quick I can get this footage up because I do know it's like a different format. I believe it's like AVCHD versus your traditional MP4 or movie files. So I'm gonna throw it over here on the computer and we're gonna get this thing popping, man. It's your boy LSR254. Identify your weaknesses and make them strengths. I love this Sony bitch.